In this video, I will show you how to check your gift card balance in NFL Shop. Simply open up any web browser or Chrome. In the search bar, search for NFL Shop. Then click on the URL. Then click on this profile in the top right corner, right beside this cart icon. From here, sign in or log in to your account. Once you're logged in, click on this three-line menu bar at the top left corner. Scroll down below, here you can find gift cards, click on it. If you have signed into your account and if you do have a gift card, here you will find the gift card. Simply click on it. Then enter the 16 digits of your gift card and the PIN number. After that, you will be able to check the remaining balance on your gift card in NFL Shop. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel and leave us a comment down below. Thank you for watching.